This is LC Engineering. We're presenting the LCE 22RE Pro Turbo Kit, part number 1071007. This kit is capable of supplying up to 20 pounds per square inch boost pressure for a high boost application. This kit consists of a Garrett turbocharger TO4E with a .63 AR turbine housing with a .60 AR on the compressor. This will spool up quick and provide excellent boost performance for your application. Also supplied in this kit is going to be the CNC steel billet exhaust manifold. This is a fully fabricated steel billet exhaust manifold that will accept the Garrett turbo. This exhaust manifold is equipped with a V-band flange to utilize the Turbosmart 40 millimeter adjustable wastegate. It also consists of a Turbosmart Incab wastegate adjuster. This kit also features a completely fabricated stainless steel 2.5 inch Downtube that'll accommodate the Turbosmart wastegate, as well as a flex coupler, a provision for a 18 millimeter screw-in O2 sensor, and we supply you with a flange and hardware and gaskets to hook to your custom exhaust system. The kit also includes all necessary oil feed line fittings and hardware, which are stainless steel, Teflon lined, and oil drain line, which is going to be stainless steel, Teflon lined with a thermal heat shield on it to prevent damage. The turbo kit will come assembled with the turbo on the manifold. The customer will need to install the Downtube before installing it on his engine. This kit utilizes a 2-inch stainless steel hot pipe, goes from the turbo to the throttle body with the necessary silicone hoses and band clamps. If you're going to be running an intercooler, we also have those available with additional hoses and band clamps for your custom application.